I think about the winners and what is the win rate. The first person can jump 3 inches the moon, the fastest winner and fastest win rate. So the win rate is how we remember the first one of one going so girl. Let's get up and everybody for the start. We'll be doing this again and this time on relay. Ready, set, go! Here's Roman and Christian. the fruit, vegetable additives, and these flavors and matters. We select from the objects of years. Here's how the resilience is allowed. So again, I'll be one, easy. And now I have it here, upgraded Mama. Yes, Mama, they always use to do that. Our reasons by research, we look at our reasons on the color. We have a plant body, they have their head, and the thing is very often practice here. And the world, they are over. It's doing engine, education, and user use. And then, you bring it to the level, and the keep up the basic features with proper care. Don't have either back in the morning quantities, and this parallel section to ensure we all proper hospitality. So once again, I'll get it one on. Alright, so this time I need an auto zero person. Once again, an auto zero. All zero languages for today. Just raise your hand and I'll choose one. Anyone, auto zero. Just raise your hand. Auto zero. Anyone? Oh, you're not? Wala ba? Ewan. Kung sino ba? Kung sinabi niyo, wala ko ang sila sa lipan. Nominate your name. How about a toast to your name? Do you have any idea what animal is going out there? Any idea? Animal doesn't care. The next animal that we are about to see is very safe, very soft, very tender, and very lovable. In fact, it loves to have people just like you. So now are you ready to meet her? Excuse me, please stand all up. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be sitting here. The next animal that we are about to see is Nessie. Not so worry, our videos will go around and look for her. So what are you worried about and how it comes down? Are you winners? Benefits, done. So what? I ain't done, you're fucking. Bravo, Steven. Sana na kayo sa taas. Alright, there's Jimmy. Is he there? What happened? Oh, no. Alright, bring it out.
trainer. She is the sexiest. Lovely tiger. Her name is Sandra. Together with baby Johnny, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why the iPhone team or better to this marine mammal? Any idea? Do you have better? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have better? Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. Still, the term events may also be translated as wing-footed, like wings. In fact, they are very defined underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies? And you know, the ultimate stick like a shoe because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lion is the fact that they are bigger, front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And there's a final version of the round of applause for Dylan Brand. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How that more perfect is that? So flexible, right? Now we have a round of applause for Dylan Brand. As you can see, the spot is over the single of short yes. And the window of the Sea lions, like any marine mammal, can see both above and underwater. They have a canine like but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore. Black-banded typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent gliding abilities, which can easily sail rocky waters. Let's talk about the swimming abilities and start with getting the smartest. Sea lions generally swim around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as radar for steering. And that's the normal swim. Slow and easy. Take it off to the first thing, Jenny. But they stay in the face. Now escaping from the shore. You can achieve a first speed of 2. Ready, time, go. 25 miles per hour. And that's really a fast swim. On the run of George Sandra. Just and see it. Great job, Sandra. Back to your feet. Ooh, nice slide. And another one. Here's the best. So here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trainer-built them to make part of special operations? Yeah, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize their voice underwater mind. Alright ladies, are you ready? Okay, good. Now let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 2. Now this time guys, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute and the count of 3, everybody to salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. almost there. Ready, and alright, we got everything. Walking the ring and the ring to the ball. Now let's go on. Now this time, guys, would you love to see another from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Now, Michael Maestro. Come on, man, Sea Lion friends. Come on. It's all about us do what we can to protect the